Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide all Facebook photos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to hide all your Facebook photos from everyone except yourself, you need to adjust the privacy settings of your photo albums and individual photos. So for each album, you can simply change the privacy setting to only me. Similarly, for individual photos, you can use the hide from profile option or adjust the privacy settings to only me. So simply tap open your Facebook and go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you can simply scroll down and go to photos. So once you're in your photos, simply select a photo. After doing this, you can find this three dot option, tap on it and tap on edit privacy. After doing this, you can simply find an option called only me. Once you have chosen only me, you need to hit the save button, and after doing this, you can hide your photo from Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.